How to change your experience picture in Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three dot, More to open the menu and select the profile icon. Now you will see your profile page with your avatar and auto details. Next, tap on Edit Profile. From there, tap on the button with the camera icon next to your profile picture. This will take you to the avatar section from where you can change your profile. From here, you can change the characters, clothing, accessories, head, and many more. You can also customize the appearance by selecting different body styles and animations. Make sure to save any changes you make so your avatar updates correctly. Once you are done, go back and your new profile setup will reflect in your experiences. And that's it. Now you know how to change your experience picture in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.